Hello,
Hello, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm also great. Thanks for asking. So let me introduce myself first. I'm Sultan Ahmed Khan, and I'm currently living in Saudi Arabia. And originally, I'm from Pakistan.
Nice to
And
meet you.
same here. Yes, please.
Excellent. My name is Corinne. I'm from Canada and I
hmm
live in Costa Rica.
Great. Nice to meet you.
So, here in Costa Rica, I work at the beach. I'm a surf
Okay.
instructor and I like to go
hmm
surfing. What's your job?
I'm an English teacher in an international school here. And
Nice.
yes, the reason I joined Cambly is to just practice my English.
Welcome.
Yes.
So, how long have you been with Cambly?
It has been almost 1 year.
Wow. And how long
Yes,
have you
but
been teaching?
sorry for interruption. I was not regular, so I subscribed for 3 months and then I left and then joined again like this.
Are you able to travel?
No, because of the coronavirus, I'm not able to go to even my country.
Okay, but
So
before that, did you used to go and visit your family?
yes, exactly. Before that, I went to Pakistan and recently my family joined me. Here in Saudi Arabia, things are not that much worse. We can go outside, we can go to the public places, the shops are open, markets are open, there is no curfew or lockdown. But the
Okay,
only thing we need to do is to cover our face,
yeah, same
and that's
here.
all.
Same here in Costa Rica. So why are you having a hard time getting your family to come to Saudi Arabia?
They
Right?
are with me now. They are with me now.
Okay,
My family have been with me for 2 months.
perfect. That's great. Yeah,
Yes.
cool. Are they happy?
Yes, they are because I wanted them to come to me before. Like I had been trying, but because of these restrictions, I was not able to.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Cool. So it was a happy reunion.
Yes, you can say.
Yeah. Yes, I wish I could have my parents come to Costa Rica, but they're
hmm
in Canada and they are very strict with
Okay.
the rules of Corona.
Okay, great. Your family is in Canada
Yes,
and you are in,
Costa Rica
this is the name of the country or a city?
country. I'm far
This is
away.
the first time I have heard this name, this
Okay.
country.
All right. So Costa Rica is in Central America. So when you say America, there's
Mm-hmm.
three Americas. So you have North America. I know.
Okay.
I'm gonna teach you something new because so many people don't know this. Three Americas.
Yes. Okay.
North America. North America
Mm-hmm.
has Canada and the United States and Mexico. That's North America. The United States is not America. And then
I have always thought that America and USA both are same.
no, it's
No?
it's like
Wow.
it's a myth where everybody created the word America for USA, but it's wrong. America means there's North America. In North America, there's Canada, USA, and Mexico. And then there's Central America, where you have like Nicaragua, Costa Rica, Panama, the Caribbean Ocean.
And these are 3 different countries.
Yes.
Right?
In Central America.
Okay.
And then you have
In Central America.
And then you have South America that has, Brazil, Chile, Argentina. So America it represents countries together in either North America.
A group of countries.
Yes. And this frustrates me so much because people are like, in America, and I'm like, yeah, what part of America? Canada, USA, Mexico? Like, not everyone learns the specifics of what is America. North America, Central America, South America.
So it is wrong if we say that America is a country.
Exactly. It is wrong. And more, America is referred to as the USA. I think it's because they call themselves the United States of America. That's why. So people will say America. But they're talking about the United States, the country of this part of America. That's what it means. It doesn't mean that they are America. There's Americas. There's 3 Americas.
I got it.
Yeah.
Thanks for giving me this precious information.
You're welcome. I learned it in school when I was really young. In geography class, we were taught the specifics of the map. So that was interesting for us, and it was very clear. But I felt that a lot of people around me never learned the specifics of the Americas.
Are you saying that even in North America or South America or Central America, people don't know about it?
Some, yes, actually, because a lot of people in Central America will actually call the United States America. Mostly like Mexico will even do it. I feel like Mexico and all of Central America will still not, say it correctly. But then the Americans will know, and the Canadians do know, and a lot of the countries in South America, they do, because they're renowned to know that they are in South America. So because they know they are in South America, they know that the other America is not the United States. It's United States, Canada, and Mexico. In Canada, we have our own president, but we call him a prime minister. So our president is a prime minister, and his name right now is Trudeau, but he will be replaced soon.
Okay. Because in Pakistan, and I think so even in India, we have a president and prime minister both.
Oh.
Yes, there are two designations.
Oh, that's interesting. I'm guessing that the prime minister is like under
President?
Yeah, like president is probably first, and then prime minister, and then I don't know who else.
Yes, it is like that.